With the eco operating modes, the appliance reduces its energy consumption to a minimum, and the result possibly tastes even better. Eco is especially well suited for dishes with longer cooking times. You can start without preheating the appliance. The energy used is therefore transferred to the food right from the beginning. It also reduces the heating and thus saves energy. Are you wondering how that works? The eco operating mode uses an intelligent heat recovery method and completely seals the cooking space without going into too much detail. If you'd like to know precisely how much energy is used for individual cooking cycles, activate Eco Management in the user settings. Eco is better for the environment and ideal for casseroles, baked dishes, roasts and stews. The regulated temperature increase makes them particularly tasty.